And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 59. Let me explain the stroke to path function to you. It's a good idea to watch the object to path video that I've made before this, because it works somewhat the same way. You can go to path and use object to path, but just to give you a quick reminder, for example, we can use a polygon, go to path, then object to path, and if we use the nodes tool, you can now drag this around. So we have all of these nodes, these anchor points now created, and it's not a polygon anymore, it's a path. Let's do that again, but this time my polygon has a stroke. So with the nodes tool on a polygon, we can resize that, reposition that. But these are just the transformation options for the polygon itself. And at the bottom, you can always see it detects it as a polygon. For the top one, I go to object to path. At the bottom, it now says path, at least for the top one. And I can drag these nodes around and you can see how the stroke is attached to it. But what if I do the same here at the bottom? I select it, then I go to path, object to path. You can see right at the bottom we have a path. We have our nodes as well. It's still selected, I go to path, and now I use stroke to path. If I use the nodes tool now, it looks different. And if you watch carefully at the bottom, we actually have a group now of two objects. And this is the fill object, or the object that was created with the fill, and the stroke object. So I can now use the nodes tool on both. But let me simply select it. I go to object and then ungroup. And there you go. You can now see it's two objects that we've created. Both are path objects, so we can use the nodes tool and have our anchor points here. There's the fill object and here our stroke object. It will create nodes on the inside and the outside of the stroke. So you will get double the amount, and then you can drag that around and adjust the stroke like it was another object. And this is what the stroke to path function does in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.